This is what I think Hiccup would say to his dad if he just started smoking weed.
Now, Dad, about this whole weed thing, I just, I've never done it. I've never, it's never been something that's been an interest to me. But I was on the other side of Berk, and I just, I found this plant, and I started burning it to get rid of it. But, if I accidentally, maybe inhaled some of those fumes, and if I were to go back and, maybe inhale a few more, is it the end of the world? Why, if we can accept having dragons on Berk, why can't we accept smoking a copious amount of weed? I don't understand the problem.